Everyone, and welcome to a new video. If you're new here, my name is Mohammed. We continue with our training series where we discuss and prepare for Elastic Certified Observability Engineer exam. We have discovered a few topics in the past, which is uptime, metrics, and logging. And today we will see how we enable and configure integration to tail a given custom log file. With that being said, let's jump to our environment and let's see how we can do it. Right, so I go to Kibana, and from Kibana here to Fleet, and from Fleet I have to wait a little bit. Like here, I will be able to see my agent here and see the status or the health of our agent. As you can see, it's green and healthy, everything is okay. So I'll just give an overview about what we did last time and how we moved to what we're gonna cover today, right? So we saw last time if we want to collect any logs from any source, we have to add an integration, right? And to be able to add an integration, like you have a few ways, or you have two ways. Even you go here to the integration and you discover the list and you search for whatever you are looking for and you add it, or from the policy, which is like basically the same thing. So you click here on add integration, and from here you click on add the integration, and this will redirect you to the integration. So for today's topic, we will see we have a custom log file, and we want to point, like we want to say to Elastic agent, look, go to this path and read the logs from this path. Okay, so how we can do this? We will do it from here, from our agent, or from our agent. We go to the policy, we click on the policy, we see the current integration. We're gonna use the system integration, which is already there. So this one is already there. So you click on the integration from here, right? And since we are going to collect the logs, we will disable this one. We don't need it. We need the logs, right? And now we want to do or we want to add another path, right? So we click here. So but before we do that, we do this. Let's go 1 second. Let me just go here. Let's click, or let's create let's create a file. I will copy some syslogs that I prepared here. So you can bring whatever like you want, like from syslog or whatever, like every log will work here. So it doesn't matter which type of log you wanna send to Elasticsearch, right? The main purpose here is to test how we read, or how we send specific log file. We save. Let me give it. Okay, so I do what should we call it? Okay, let's call it lab development, and here it's supposed to be .log. Here we go. Now we have our log file. So click on the right and you will be able to copy no, what is copy path? Yes, it's here, a copy path. So we come here to Elastic, and we come here, we add or we paste the path. So as you can see, user Mohammed download training lab dev logs. So we save and deploy the changes. I will open Discover in another. So as you can see, it's saved. So now let's go back. I'll open another Kibana instance here, or yes, perfect. So if you wanna make sure, like if you wanna confirm that it's saved correctly, you just click and go and check if the path is saved. Otherwise, to see if the logs are coming, so we have the logs from here. And we have here, for example, I will search for syslogd or server1 or whatever. So I will or I will search for the path. So if I search here log, one second, so I will just see something here. So this is the metrics. No, we're looking for logs, not a metric. I will filter out this one. You don't need this one. This is for a metric, as you can see, our metric bits. For us, we're looking for yes, it's file bits. So here we're supposed to find the path. Let me search quickly here. Here we go. I'm looking for this one. I will add it like this. Let me close this one. Here we go. So this is our path, right? Let's save this filter. And you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In our case here, 2. Okay, so it's missing one line, 2, 4, 6. But I probably want just to add another or add more time. Here we go. Okay, so look now. So this is what we have. This is the path, as you can see, the one that we added from here, from our integration. So you can see here the path. So the path is coming now. This is like in real time, as you can see. And this is what we have. So as you can see, this is the details of this is our log, right? So server cron, where is cron? Yes, is this file, right? Now let's add another lines, right? Let's add another 4 or 5 lines and see if we can get it in real time or no. So 1 second. So I will copy paste. I will come here. So I will paste, right? I will save, Control S, and here let's just refresh. Here we go. So as you can see, it's coming in near real time. It's almost like in real time. I just add it and we can see it from here. So the last example is this one. It's server 1 mail. So this one is server mail or server 1 mail. So this is the mail. If you want to do, or if you want to add another path, it's similar, it's the same. You come here and you add the path here, right? This is the first one. The second point, I have mentioned it yesterday, is like we don't parse in the logs here. As you can see, it's like this, and we copy paste it directly here. And as you can see, provided the grok expressions do not match field value. Here, what's like the grok or the parsing that I mentioned here, or I want to explain, is like extract the information. Like here, I know it's a date. I will extract it, the type of information, the ID, source, destination, everything, like the event ID. Like we can extract it and put it here in a field. We're gonna see this in the next video, not in this one. We will see in the next topics how we create a parsers and how we customize it to match the log pattern. All right. I think that's all from my end. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question, and we'll see you in the next video.